Ladies, we need to talk, because if you're a woman, you don't just want to invest, you actually need to invest differently. And I'm telling you why in the next 60 seconds. First, career. Women are way more likely to step away from work to raise kids or care for family. Beautiful? Yes. Expensive? Also, yes. That means fewer years earning and fewer years stacking retirement cash. Investing early is how we level that playing field. Next, we live longer, 5, sometimes 7 years more than men. That means we need more money to last us through retirement. Investing isn't a luxury, it's survival strategy. Now, let's hit the uncomfortable one, the gender pay gap. Even today, women still make less on average for the same work. So guess what? Our money needs to hustle harder through compound growth. Investing lets your dollars work overtime even when you're not. Also, financial independence isn't optional. You should never rely 100% on a partner, a paycheck, or a company. Investing gives you options. Walk-away money, safety money. I choose this life because I want it money. And here's the best part. When women invest, we're actually better at it. We research, we stay consistent, we play the long game. That's exactly what builds wealth. So here's your reminder. You don't invest because you're rich. You become rich because you start small. Start now. Your future self will thank you. This is Money Mindset Motivation. Let's build